Welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start our video. First of all, see its drawing. This is the drawing. See the base. This length is 92 millimeter and also the width is 68 millimeter. The thickness is 18 millimeter and also there are two circles. The circle has a diameter of 16 millimeter and the distance from this center to the outer line is 20 millimeter and also the vertical distance is 28 millimeter. Also, there is another slot. This thickness is 14 millimeter and also this thickness is 12 millimeter. And this fillet radius is 6 millimeter and this radius is 18 millimeter. And from this point to this line, the distance is 53 millimeter. And also this total distance is 55 millimeter. See, this is 6 and this is 12. So 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18. So 18 will be in the downward direction and the remaining 37 will be in the upward direction. So we will choose extrude boss phase, and in the first phase we will extrude up to 37 millimeter, and in the direction 2 we will choose 18 millimeter and in the downward direction. Also in the top there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 80 millimeter and another circle has a diameter of 40 millimeter. And we will use extruded cut and we will cut through all. Also from this center to this point the distance is 125 millimeter. See, also this radius is 42 millimeter and from this edge the fillet radius is 12 millimeter and this height is 24 millimeter and this height is 120 millimeter. So these are the dimensions, and now let's begin with the tutorial. Go to SolidWorks and cross this file and open a new file. Click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the top plane and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 92 millimeter and this height is 68 millimeter. Now go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, select Air Blind and type 18 millimeter. Again press Enter and see. Now select this upper face and sketch. Now draw two circles. Now select this circle, press the Ctrl key and select this circle and make them equal. Now go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 16 millimeter and the distance from this point to the edge is 20 millimeter, and also the vertical distance is 28 millimeter. Same here. Click OK. Now go to Features, Extruded Cut, select here through all or just drag this arrow. Click OK. See, now select the side face, sketch, choose line command and draw a line like this. Escape. Go to Smart Dimension. This height is 53 millimeter This length is 63 millimeter and the distance from this point to this point is. Now click OK. Sketch fillet. Type here 18 and select this point. Click OK. Now offset entities. Select here this line and reverse and type here 12 millimeter because the thickness was 12. So click OK. Now close the geometry from both ends. Now sketch fillet. Type here 6 and select this point. See, and this corner we will define it later. So click OK. Now features, extruded boss base. Select here through all in the reverse direction. See, click OK. Now go to fillet. Type here 6 and select this line. Click OK. Now select the top face, sketch and draw a circle from the center. Go to smart dimension. Diameter is 80 millimeter. Go to features, extruded boss face. Select here blind and type 37 and also in the direction 2 type here 18 millimeter. See, and now the total will be 37 plus 18 which is equal to 55 and in the drawing see the total distance is 55. 12 plus 6 18, 18 in the direction 2 and remaining 37 in the direction 1. So again go to Solidworks, click OK. Now select this top face and sketch. Draw a circle. See this plus icon. Draw a circle. Smart dimension. Diameter is 40 millimeter. Go to features. Extruded cut. Select here through all or just simply drag this arrow. Now we want to make this slot. So select here right plane and sketch. Go to line command and draw lines like this. Go to smart dimension. From this line to this line, the distance is 1 and this height is 24 and this length is 42. Click OK. Also select this line and select here construction geometry. Now go to features, rib, type here 14 millimeter and see the arrow it is outward. So select here Flip material side and see it is now invert. And select here middle option and OK. Now select here fillet. First type here 42 millimeter and select this corner. Click OK. Also again select this fillet and this time type here 12 millimeter and select this line. Click OK. Control 7. See, our part is complete. Take a look on the drawing. See, it is similar to our part. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to appearances. Select any color you want. I am selecting this color, a little bit light. This is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.